The South Australian Supreme Court has heard a woman accused of murdering Ranella pensioner Vonne McGlynn was motivated by greed. Angelica Guevara has gone on trial for allegedly killing the 82-year-old and dismembering her body.
In early 2009, police found parts of Ms McGlynn's remains wrapped in plastic bags at a creek reserve at Christie Downs. The 82-year-old pensioner was allegedly killed in her nearby home in December 2008. The Director of Public Prosecution, Stephen Polaris, told the court that 35-year-old mother of two, Angelica Guevara, committed murder out of greed. She intended to and did steal Ms McGlynn's possessions from her, and that intention was also to steal Ms McGlynn's house from her and sell it and keep the money for herself. The court travelled to the key sites in the case to view the areas. Mr Polaris said at the time of her death, Ms McGlynn's roof tiles had been displaced and a manhole in her bedroom was found to be open. He said it's likely Guevara broke into the pensioner's house through the roof and knocked her unconscious with a statue. It's alleged she then dismembered the body and dumped part of it in a creek. He said witnesses had seen Guevara pushing a child's pram to the creek with plastic bags in the seat. Mr Polaris said Ms McGlynn's hands and head were never found and a precise cause of death can't be given. He also said Guevara had written in an exercise book on the day Ms McGlynn died, asking herself how she could lift a 56-kilogram body. The court heard Guevara had forged power of attorney documents and tried to access Ms McGlynn's bank account a few days after her death, but another bank employee had seen media reports that Ms McGlynn was missing and notified police, prompting what was then a fraud investigation. Mr Polaris said the prosecution will call a number of witnesses, including Guevara's mother and sister and a cellmate who she allegedly made admissions to. The trial before Justice Trish Kelly continues. Candice Marcus, ABC News, Adelaide.